Ready to link your debit or credit card for seamless shopping with Klarna? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to add a card to your account in just a few taps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding a payment card is the key to unlocking all of Klarna's features, and it's a super simple process. Let's get your card connected. First, launch the Klarna app and log into your account. From the main screen, navigate to your profile. You can usually find this by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Inside your profile, look for the Payment Methods section. This is where you manage all your linked funding sources. Tap on it, and you'll see any existing cards or bank accounts. To add a new one, tap the button that says Add a Card or the plus symbol sign. Now, it's time to enter your card details. You'll need to manually type in your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code on the back. For a faster and more accurate method, you can often use your phone's camera to scan your card. The app will automatically fill in the numbers. Once you've entered all the information, double-check that it's correct and hit Save or Add Card. Klarna will make a small, temporary authorization hold on your card to verify it's valid. Don't worry, this is just a test and the hold will be removed almost immediately. It won't be charged. After a successful verification, you'll see a confirmation, and your new card will appear in your payment methods list. You can now set it as your default payment option for all your future purchases. And just like that, you're all set to shop. Adding a card makes checkout a breeze. If this tutorial helped you, please show your support with a like. What's the first thing you're buying with your newly linked card? Tell me in the comments. For the next guide on how to remove a payment method, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.